If you want to change your country on chess.com, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a minute. It's simple, and once you know where to look, you can update your profile without any confusion. This is especially helpful if you moved, want your profile to reflect a different region, or just need to correct your account details. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open chess.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to edit. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. This is where chess.com keeps your account and profile options, so don't worry if you don't see the country setting right away. After clicking settings, a menu will appear. From that menu, select the profile tab. The profile section is where you can change personal information tied to your chess.com account, including details like your country. Now scroll down carefully until you find the country drop-down menu. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little farther to see it, so take your time and look through the profile settings. Once you find the country field, click the drop-down and choose your new country from the list. Make sure you select the correct one before saving, because this will update the country shown on your profile. After you've made your selection, click Save to confirm the change. That final step is important, because without saving, your update won't be applied. Once you click Save, chess.com should update your profile country right away. If the page refreshes or shows your profile again, you can double check that the new country is displayed correctly. And that's it. You've now changed your country on chess.com. It only takes a few clicks once you know exactly where the setting is located. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.